Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to connect PayPal to Standstill. So if you want to connect your PayPal to your Standstill, here's a quick guide for that. So first thing to do is to log in into your Standstill account. So from your dashboard, click the settings on the left hand side, then select payment method or payout settings. So after that, you have to choose PayPal. So click the connect PayPal or add PayPal account. Then a new window will pop up and sign into your PayPal account using your email and password. Then after that, you have to authorize the connection. So click agree and authorize access to allow Standstill to connect with your PayPal account. And after that, return to your Standstill and you will be redirected back to your Standstill from the page, and from there you should now see your PayPal listed as connected payment method, and that's how you can easily connect your PayPal to Standstill. Hope you find the video helpful. Click on the notification button and subscribe for more.